Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I do think this is likely the end of a wave 3. If that is the case, then we are very likely in a wave 4, which I still think is going to be a very, very overlapping pattern that potentially could last 6-8 months or more, potentially taking us down to the 50% level before it goes up and makes another attempt up for wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still would look at this whole move down right here as a wave A, and I would still look at this potentially as starting a move to the upside, maybe even this week for a wave B. Then eventually it should make its way back down for a wave C. Like I said, this whole pattern should take about 6-8 months or more, so definitely don't expect this wave 4 to be over anytime soon. Going down to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, this to me does kind of look like 1, 2, 3 waves down. So it easily could make a higher low, and then start a 5 wave uptrend, which would probably be 3 waves of A, 3 waves of B, 5 waves of C, which would be an ABC of B. This would be the wave A. We don't really know that it's going to do that, and the trend is definitely down right now, and it easily could just continue down, which is why I will for sure continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. I just like to have a bolus and a bearish scenario when possible. So going down to the 4 hour time frame now, if it breaks structure to the upside, I definitely will start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see from that point on. If it does not break structure to the upside, but instead makes a lower high, especially if it's like 3 waves up and pulsive down, then I will actually continue to look for shorts. I will always trade with the trend until the trend is proven to be over, and the trend is definitely not proven to be over until we get a nice break of structure that holds to the upside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. If this makes 1, 2, 3 waves up, makes a lower high, impulsive engulfing to the downside, I would go short again. Like I was explaining on the higher time frames, if it goes up, breaks and holds above structure, then makes a pullback, at the end of the pullback is where I would be looking to go long, and I would start looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see from that point on. So as long as you pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.